guys, I'm doing a vlog today. Decided to vlog just because I haven't done a vlog in a very long time. I have to do so much today. I have a meeting coming up in about 30 minutes, actually less than 30 minutes. And I had 2 meetings today, but the second meeting got canceled, which I'm not mad about because yeah, so that's good. And then, well, it's not good, but today's like kind of been an off day. It's really gloomy outside and I'm just not feeling like having 2 different meetings. So the second thing that I need to do is I need to go run some errands. After I run some errands, hopefully I can come back and start on a project that I just started today, which is going to be a very long project. Probably gonna take, I don't know how long it's gonna take to get this project done, but it's going to be a while. It's going to be like months. And then after I get done with the project, it has to go into review. It's just so, it's a lot to like think about doing a project that you would like for it to be done like immediately, but normally that's not how it works. After I get done with most of the stuff that I'm doing today, I'm going to show you guys some of the packages that I received, because I received some packages. Thumbs up this video if you like vlogs, if you like my videos to be in vlog style. If you guys are wondering, I just did my hair, right? I wear these low ponytails a lot during the week. I normally have on a crop top, and that's literally my attire, my work attire. Today I used the Angelic Cocoa Clear Course Jelly to lay my hair down. Okay, so this is the Gaia Dreams Nectar that I used on my hair, and I put it on my scalp, and I also put it on my actual hair. And as you guys can tell, well, you probably can't tell, but I've been using that oil a lot. But when I take this ponytail down, I'm going to put this on my edges, which is the Gaia Dreams treatment. That's what I did to my hair. I didn't do much, just use the gel. Oh, I used the Angelic Cocoa cream as well. All this stuff is on the website at nourished.com. So it's the next morning. I just got out of the shower and I'm about to go and head to Sephora. So I'm probably gonna take you guys with me. I heard that Sephora is like really not nice about people filming in their store, so we'll see how that goes. But if they let me film in their store, then I'll take you guys with me. By the way, I use some actually I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I used in the shower, like getting out of the shower, how I moisturize and stuff like that. And also one of the packages came in that I really wanted to show you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys that as well. Because I told you guys that I was gonna show you in the last clip, but I got super busy that day. I didn't get to do any of the stuff that I wanted to do. So I'm gonna show you guys today what I got. Also, this is the outfit of the day with these sweats here. You guys can't see the bottom of the sweats. Still can't see them, right? Hopefully I'm not working all day today because I really don't want to, but yeah. So let's let me show you guys what I'll use today. Guys, so I have my package right here that I wanted to show you. I got this huge package. Can I even get it? Okay. I got this huge package from Teddy Blake. So when I got the package, it was actually boxed into another box so that this packaging doesn't get messed up. When I opened it here, there was more packaging inside. The actual purse comes with this duster bag, which I love so much. So this huge duster bag. So let me show you guys the purse because I've already put my stuff in it and made it mine. Okay, so this is the purse that they sent me, and I'll have the name of this purse right here because I don't want to butcher it. So this is the exact purse that I got, and I'm also going to have it linked down in the description box for you guys. So this is a Teddy Blake purse, and I love the fact that they have really nice detailing on this. And I love the fact that this purse is real premium Italian leather. So this is made from the luxury of Italian leather. I'm not like a person that wears real leather. I would rather wear like faux leather and something like that. But honestly guys, I have been getting, and I'm not lying to you, I have been getting faux leather purses that are like vegan leather, and I don't know if I need to you know, find a better quality one. But this is my older purse, and as you can see, let me put this purse out of the way. As you can see, the older leather on this purse, it just starts to rip after a while of having it. See that? It starts to come apart after a while of having it. This is faux leather. This is real premium Italian leather. And it's not going to rip on you as easily as faux leather, to be honest. One thing that Teddy Blake does say is that they do work in the same Italian factories as other luxurious brands and follow the knowledge gathered from the decades of experience in luxury leather. Have this strap if you want to wear it, you know, around as a crossbag. This is the 14-inch. I like bigger purses. I'm not a fan of small purses. I carry too much stuff in my purse. I am a mom and I cannot get down with small purses. So I wear small purses sometimes, but I wanted this for an everyday bag that I can wear consistently. And to be honest, the purses on their website are a lot more affordable than your average luxury prices. So yes, guys, I highly recommend Teddy Blake if you want to get a nice leather purse. Like I said, the purse that I have, I'm going to have a link down in the description box for you. They also gave me a discount code for my subscribers if you guys are in the market and you're actually going to go ahead and buy a purse. You guys can use TV Shawnta 30 for 30% off of your purchase. And they already have up to 60% off of their items anyways going on right now. So and you'll basically be getting an extra 30% off with that code. So I also wanted to show you guys what I used when I got out of the shower because I feel like I have a pretty good routine going for how I keep my skin nice and glowy. This right here, I don't normally use. This is the Truly Cocoa Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter. So this is actually Naraya's, my daughter's, and I'm actually just using it because I'm out of the body butter that I have. So I use that right out of the shower to kind of moisturize my skin. Well, to moisturize my skin. Would I recommend this, like highly recommend? No, this is not a need for me. I feel like that Truly's body butter, the Cocoa Rose Fudge, is really good, but then again, they kind of missed the mark on things that I'm looking for in body butter. I think I mentioned that before on my channel. So it's a good body butter, but I don't know. You just, it has to, I think it's going to depend on how you like your whipped body butters to feel on your skin in the case of you wanting to get this or not. But this is what it looks like on the inside, and I use this for today, like I said, on my body as a moisturizer. And on top of the Cocoa Rose Fudge body butter, I use the Nourished by Shawnta Glow Oil, which is half empty because I use it so much. But the Glow Oil I love because it does have hydration in this oil. So it's not just an oil. You know how oils, you put them on and then the next hour the oil is gone. Not even the next hour, like the next 30 minutes the oil is gone because there's no hydration. It has a natural hydration in it, and I just put it on top, and that is where this like shimmerly glowing skin is coming from. I hope it's showing up on camera. Otherwise you guys are just gonna think I'm lying, but you see that like natural glow, and I have it on a little bit on my face as well. So I like to do I like to use products that are going to enhance the glow factor of my skin because I don't wear makeup. So I feel like that if I don't have a makeup, then I need to like look really glowed up and glowy. And so I have these two products that I've been trying out. So these are at Sephora, and this company actually sent this to me. So this is from Vegamour, and I like their lash serum. So this is their Grow Lash Serum for thicker, fuller, and faster growth on your lashes. So my lashes actually don't need to grow. I don't use this all the time, not at all. Like I use this every blue moon. So they don't really need to grow, but I do like the fact that they have the serum so that I can like put it on my eyelashes because I don't wear a lot. Of course, I don't wear makeup, so I want something that's going to like pull my eyelashes up. But if you are a makeup wearer and you wear like mascara and it pulls off your lashes a lot, this will be a good thing to have, which is like a lash serum. So use their brow serum as well, which also says thicker, fuller, and faster. So So this is also going to help with the growth of your lashes or eyebrows. If you don't want to get their growth serum, then you can use Jamaican black castor oil on your lashes and your eyebrows as well, which is going to help for your lashes to grow as well. But keep in mind, Jamaican black castor oil is super thick. Oh my gosh, it's so thick, and you're probably gonna have to wipe it off, whereas this you don't have to wipe off, you can just put it on and go. But because Jamaican black castor oil doesn't smell that good and it's also a very thick oil, then I would recommend that you only use that for like a treatment, or if you want to do it like every week, every month or something like that, and then wash it off, because I'm telling you, you're not gonna like the smell being on you all day long. A lot of times I opt for this just because, I mean, literally it has this perfectly amazing brush where you don't have to get too messy. I have a mascara brush where I can put on my growth oil, so I do that sometimes as well. So on my lips, I'm looking for a really good lip balm. I have not found one. I've heard that Summer Fridays has a really good lip balm, so I'm gonna have to check them out. Personally, I have not tried it, but I heard that they have really good Lash. I heard that they have really good lip balm, so I'm going to have to try them out. But what I've been using like for the longest is this Laneige sleep mask. So this is an actual sleep mask that you're supposed to use on your lips when you're about to go to sleep, but it's such a good lip mask that I wear it during the day too. This is what it looks like. It's a Laneige lip balm, sleep lip balm, but I actually use it sometimes going out. So I've heard that they have lip balms as well, but I have not checked their website. But as soon as I think I'm gonna go on there today to see if they have a lip balm, because I would rather get it from them because I see how good their sleep mask works. And then for perfume, I use the Good Chemistry perfume. And this is the Jasmine Rose. And they have this at Target. So I like this fragrance. I like this perfume, but it doesn't stay on you a long time. That's the only thing that I do not like. And I've had this for a while. That's the only thing I don't like. I like for my perfumes to like smell very nice and elegant and light, but I also want it to stay all day and for people to be able to, other people to be able to smell it. Whereas this perfume that I have, I've noticed that people don't smell it right away. They have to be like really close to me in order to smell it, and I don't like that because I don't, you know, everybody's not going to be all over my face, of course. So I want it to be more powerful. So I'm also going to be looking for another perfume at Sephora if they have more natural perfumes, because this is a natural perfume, sustainably sourced, and I believe this is vegan. But if I cannot find that at Sephora, then I'm just gonna go to Target or go somewhere else where they have clean perfumes, because I would rather not have a perfume that is filled with fake flowery essence and just stuff that they've made in the lab. I'd rather not have that. I'd rather have a more natural formula. So I'm going to see if they have that at Sephora. So we'll see. But that's all I use out of the shower. And this is the completed look. This is the completed look. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and go because it's getting really close to the time where I need to get back to work. So I'm going to go ahead and go. And like I said, they let me film in here, then I'll take you guys with me. To make sure that I ended off the vlog because I wasn't able to talk to you guys. By the way, everything fell when I was filming, trying to get aesthetic stuff for you know, the Sephora clip, which was hilarious, so I'll leave that in. But yeah, I wanted to end off the vlog. I tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Naraya's sleeping right now, and thumbs up this video if you want to see more vlogs like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.